Alright, what are we gonna do now, birthday boys and girls? Open what?
Up, down.
Open presents?
Yeah.
Open presents?
Yeah.
Okay, here, Gray. You open this one first. That's from Connor.
I eat this from the green.
Can you get it out? What is it? Oh, say thank you, Connor.
Thank you, Connor.
Here, Evie. This is from Connor. Here's, ooh, get it? There's your card. Here. It says, happy birthday, Evie. Love, Connor. Alright, let's see what you got, Evie. Go ahead. Open your present. Inside the bag. What is it? A princess jump rope. That'll be cool in the summertime. What else is in there? Look inside the bag. Look inside. Ooh, that's chalk. That'll be fun. Here, Evie. Open another one. This is from Gray. Okay?
Gray.
Yep. You see that? Where's your helicopter, Gray? You open Gray's.
No.
Oh, she can help. That's from you, Gray. You want another one, Gray?
No.
Oh, it's okay.
That's a good one.
It is a girl one. You like that, Evie?
Yeah.
We'll have to open it up in a little bit. Look, this one too. You gonna open that, Gray? It's a new bag. You can keep all your little guys in that I got you. Open it up. See what's in the bag too. Gray, what'd you get? Transformers. Yeah. Can you open it, Evie? What's inside? Here. You guys open it. Here. Zipper it open. Open it up. Come on. You can do it. Zip, zip, zip. Pull it. Alright, what's inside? Hold on, Gray. What is it?
It's a sock.
The new pretty socks. Yeah. Yeah? Happy birthday, Evie and Graylin. Evie. Happy birthday. Yay. Gray. Happy birthday.
It's my birthday.
You want to open that?
Yeah.
We can put it inside your bag.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye. Let me see. Show me what you got.
Presents.
Presents?
Yeah.
What you got?
Cock.
Yeah, that chalk is Evie's. Where's your helicopter? Can you press the buttons on it?
I'm pushing a fire truck.
You push the fire truck?
That's good.